Today we are comparing three of Tineco's most advanced wet and dry floor cleaners: the Floor One S6 Stretch Steam, the S7 Stretch Ultra, and the flagship S9 RT Steam. If you are trying to decide which model is right for your home, this comparison should help you understand the key differences in cleaning performance, steam technology, flexibility, and overall user experience. Starting from the S6 Stretch Steam, it's designed for users who want the benefits of steam cleaning without moving into a premium price range. It combines vacuuming, washing, and steam cleaning in one machine. One of its biggest advantages is the 180-degree lay flat design, allowing it to reach under furniture and low clearance spaces much more easily than traditional upright floor cleaners. The steam function helps loosen sticky messes and dried stains while also providing a deeper level of floor sanitization. Moving to the S7 Stretch Ultra, this model focuses more on flexibility, convenience, and daily cleaning performance. Like the S6, it features a lay-flat design for cleaning under furniture, but it also introduces improvements in runtime, self-cleaning, and overall maneuverability. The S7 Stretch Ultra is a great option for households looking for a balance between performance and ease of use. It delivers strong cleaning power while remaining lightweight and easy to handle during everyday cleaning sessions. Now about the S9 RT Steam. The S9 RT Steam takes things to another level. It combines high-temperature, hyper-steam technology with up to 22 kPa suction power and a runtime of up to 75 minutes. One of the standout features is its 320-degree Fahrenheit hyper-steam system, designed to tackle stubborn grease, sticky messes, and embedded dirt more efficiently. It also includes Tineco's advanced smooth drive system for easier movement, flash dry, self-cleaning and drying, and an enhanced anti-tangle brush design that's especially useful for homes with pets. When it comes to cleaning under furniture, all three models perform well thanks to their low-profile stretch designs. However, the S9 RT Steam combines that flexibility with stronger suction and more advanced steam capabilities, making it the most powerful option of the three. For everyday maintenance cleaning, the S7 Stretch Ultra may be the sweet spot for many households. It offers excellent reach, strong cleaning performance, and user-friendly operation without stepping into flagship territory. If your priority is deep cleaning, sanitization, pet messes, or sticky kitchen floors, the S9 RT Steam clearly offers the most advanced feature set. On the other hand, if you are looking for a more affordable steam cleaning solution, the S6 Stretch Steam still delivers a very capable combination of steam and wet-dry cleaning performance. So which one would be the best for you? The S6 Stretch Steam is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who still want steam cleaning. The S7 Stretch Ultra offers the best balance between convenience, flexibility, and daily cleaning performance. And the S9 RT Steam is the premium choice for those who want the most powerful cleaning experience and the latest Tineco technology. This is all about these products. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time.